Merry Christmas！ 圣诞节快乐！那今天是圣诞节，我知道在西方，圣诞节有送礼物的传统。今天我也要送大家一些礼物，那是什么礼物呢？我知道我们的观众有很多都是自学汉语，所以今天我要送给大家的礼物就是学习汉语的方法和工具。If you are a beginner, I would suggest you start with pinyin, and maybe you need to spend lots of time to practice. Remember that pinyin is very, very, very important. A solid pronunciation foundation is crucial when you start learning a new language. Because once the wrong pronunciation is formed, it's difficult to correct it. When you build the foundation of pinyin, you can start learning Chinese grammar, vocabulary, conversations, and so on. Here, I want to recommend some books on Chinese learning to you. First of all, I strongly recommend the HSK series books. You must be familiar with these books. If you want to study in China or have an intuitive assessment of your Chinese level, you must learn this series. The texts on level 1 to level 4 are short and practical dialogues and passages. And the texts on level 5 to level 6 are longer articles. I think these HSK series books are well designed. You can have a look. This is the text, translation, and new words. Each lesson also have an explanation of important grammar and exercise. HSK is suitable for all Chinese learners, but if you are looking for a Chinese book for your children, I will recommend this one. This book is very suitable for children who are under 10 years old. Each lesson is so simple, and there are many pictures and games in it. If you are a native Spanish speaker, I think this book suits you. The author of this book worked in Latin America for many years, so she understands the needs of native Spanish speakers so well. This book follows the guidelines and teaching basis of the Chinese HSK program. If you want to take the HSK exams, this book can also help you. This book has designed the comparative for the Spanish-speaking learner. Through the comparative, students can understand the differences and the similarities between languages and cultures well. Today is Christmas. It's my first gift to you. If you want to buy these books, you can use my coupon code ECLC to get 30% off. If you want to study with a teacher, I highly recommend you buy our yearly membership. Our membership is also on sale at Christmas. Now, with only $69, you can access all our paid courses. It includes HSK 1 to 4 courses, the spoken Chinese course, the mini grammar course, the vocabulary course, and so on. Throughout your journey of learning Chinese, you might have come across several unknown words. You might require a dictionary. While many students prefer using Google Translate, I would not recommend it, as it often contains some mistakes. After trying various dictionaries, I believe that Palico is the best option. Although it's not perfect, it's the most suitable tool for Chinese learners. Whether you follow the book or our videos, you will have Chinese knowledge in your brain after learning. But if you want to speak Chinese very well, it's not enough to only have Chinese knowledge in your brain. You have to do a lot of practice. To truly master the language, you need to practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Finding a language partner is the best way to improve your listening and speaking skills. But if you don't have any Chinese-speaking friends, you can try shadow reading practice while watching Chinese TV series. It will help you improve your listening and speaking skills simultaneously. If you choose a TV series with subtitles, you can practice your reading skills also. If you are interested in shadow reading practice, you can leave some comments to us. We will create some training videos in the future to help you practice. To improve your writing skills, we made a tool that teaches you how to write Chinese characters. Just enter the character you want to learn, and you can see the strokes and the sequence of the character. We put the link in the description box so you can save it and learn at your convenience. Additionally, our HSK courses has PDF files of Chinese character exercises that you can download and print out to practice writing. Alright, that's all for today. If there's anything else you'd like to know, leave me a comment in the comments. If you want to buy those books, don't forget to use our coupon code ECLC for a 30% discount. And again, Merry Christmas! 圣诞节快乐! Bye!